That's kind of nice. That'll work. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put on these steps for on your boat trailer. Now, you should be able to put these on, like I just have a little fishing boat. You could put this on a pontoon boat, maybe you could put it on a ski boat. But I'll go over the sizes here and how big this will adjust. But it definitely makes it a lot easier to get in and out of your boat. Like when you're say when you're going down a boat ramp and you need to you're coming out of your boat to go after you pull your boat up on your trailer, these steps would make it a lot safer. So I think these things are definitely going to be an awesome accessory to have on my boat. So continue watching, I'll show you how to put them on. All right, this is everything that did come in the box. And it is really nice, really good, thick steel. So you don't have to definitely worry about it breaking. Come with some nice big bolts to mount it on, lock washers, nuts. And this piece here I think definitely has something to do with the handle. You'll see here in the video when it's all put together. It's going to get mounted together. I don't know if you care, but it did come in a nice thick box and everything was individually wrapped. It was packaged pretty nice. All right, you're going to see how the steps, all of them have nice rough tape on here, kind of like the old school days when you had a skateboard, but smaller holes at the top. So pretty simple that the mounting plate is going to go on that same way. The long holes will go at the bottom. At least me, I'm going to put these bolts through this way. I think you can go either way, doesn't matter. And that's going to be able to lay right on your tongue here, like that. You're going to put a washer on, then the lock washer, and then a nut. Washer, lock washer, nut. And then you will need an 18 millimeter. Tighten them up a little. Not all the way because you got to put the bottom ones on. So you're going to put them bottom ones on. Same thing. Washer, lock washer, nut. Now that'll stay there. That's what it looks like from the side. You're going to have that regular washer. This is the lock washer I'm talking about. It's kind of got a little cut in it. And then you'll have your nut. So you put the regular washer on, then you put the lock washer on, then the nut. And I'd put this all on loose so you can adjust how you want it, how close you want it to your boat or whatever. Like that. I think mine is going to be okay right where it's at. I'm going to tighten this all up, and then I'll just walk up and down a couple of times and try it out. And then if it's too close, all you got to do is loosen it up, move it back a little. It's not in a way to hook up my boat. My handle's on this side, the steps are on this side, so that's good. Check them by hand. Don't over tighten them. Snug them up decent, but like I said, don't over tighten them. Maybe after you use this 2 or 3 times, then just see what you think. Check the nuts, make sure they didn't come loose. But you'll know if they come loose, your steps will start getting loose. So that seems pretty good. Pretty good, I like it. Try it without the handle. That's going to be nice. It comes with a bunch of little bolts and nuts for the handle. There's 4 of each. It comes with an Allen wrench too. This piece should go up under here. Put the little bolt down through there, and you're going to put a washer up under, and then the nut. Washer, then nut. So I might need a little wrench to hold that bottom there. So these little nuts are a 11 millimeter. So I'm just going to hold this top with the little Allen wrench that they gave us. Tighten it up. Now the handle that goes on top of that is pretty much the same way. We're just going to mount that on top of this pipe. This should get mounted on here. Bolt down through, and the washer and the nut. Washer, nut. Definitely aren't going to slip on these steps. That tape is rough. This is going to be a lot nicer when I pull my boat up on the trailer. I'm always coming off the front of my boat. That'd be a lot nicer. I like it. See what I think now with that handle. Oh, that's kind of nice. That'll work. That can come down. I don't recommend reefing on that handle a lot. That's way nicer. Yeah, that'd be all right. I thought for a second that handle was really going to be in the way, but it's all right. Oh, that's really, really nice. That's going to be a nice accessory for on my boat. But it looks like you could put this on. You got to have the boat or the. Looks like you could easily put this on. Like this could be 5 inches thick right here. Yeah, I think this could easily be 4.5 to 5 inches thick right here. Let me check again because got to be able to put your bolt in there. So, yeah, I think they made this to go on for a 5-inch thick tongue right here, and this way, these bolts that, now you could put different bolts in to make it wider if you want, but the bolts that come with it, mine is like 3 inches wide. Now I could easily go, yeah, I think you could easily go about 4 inches wide if you had to. So that definitely is really nice and adjustable. Really, really, really good thick steel metal. Definitely should give me many, many good years of use. A lot safer to get in and out of my boat. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys plan on trying to put these boat steps on, or what did you put them on? Did you put them on a fishing boat, a pontoon boat, like a little ski boat? What kind of boat? How big of your trailer did you put them on? Do you guys like them? If you did put these on your boat trailer, give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, just throw that comment down there. I'd like to read all that, plus it might help somebody else out there to know if they can put these on their boat trailer. Hit that subscribe button, help support this channel. God bless, and have a good time on the water.